Hello and welcome to Mechanic Manager. This is a demonstration of the accounting side of things for motor mechanics, motor mechanic management, motor mechanic workshop management software. So you've got the general ledger, you've got the chart of accounts. It comes with a standard chart of accounts. You can create your own accounts as well. So the assets, for example, income, so your labour income, sales income, parts, accessories. You've got expenses here, and you can create new items. So it's a general ledger for all your accounting. We've also got a transaction register, which shows you all the transactions that occurred against an account, the invoice number or the purchase number, etc., and with all the details and totals. You can transfer funds between accounts. So if I click on that, you can just from account to account transfer funds. Put the amount here, or you can transfer check account into an expense or whatever you want. If you want to do that, having to do a purchase or an invoice, for example. You've got statements, reports and statements. So these are all the general ledger reports. You've got GST reports. So if I go to GST detail cash, which put the date period in, and say amounts include GST or not. Okay, to view the report. There's a GST report. It tells you the purchase, the sales value. These are all invoices. There's a purchase there. There's a total purchase value. There's a total tax collected and tax paid. So there's been no taxes being paid during that period. So it's one GST report. You've also got trial balance sheet, year to date, as of date with profit and loss, general ledger reports, profit and loss. Profit and loss. There's a profit and loss. There's a revenue there. It shows a few accounts. There's some labour income, 3,391. There's a total revenue, cost of goods when you sell products. It's like spare parts. There's all the other expenses, and there's your net profit at the bottom there. Okay, you can print that off. So that's basically the accounting side of things. But it also has all the mechanic details, obviously, like your bookings, job card, invoice, marketing, SMS, email marketing, etc. To get customers to come back, based on the next service, you can send out SMSs to remind them to come back. Let's have a quick look at the invoice. There's the invoice. Just type in the character. All the rejos come up. Try and select the rejos. The first one, for example, customer name goes on there automatically. The bin number, odometer, month, year, make, model. And you can just start any parts. If I type in A, there's an A360 from Replica. I'll click on that. Or you can just leave it blank and put a quantity in. Type in what you like. And put an amount. $30, just works out the total for you there. There's the invoice total. And also labour items. If I type in 1, there's a labour item there. $75 for 1 hour. Start price includes GST or excludes GST. You can set that in the options in the setup. You've got set it to 0, QuickBooks if you want to. Replica pass and Replica quote, visual inspection, so I'll check the alternator, it looks good, traffic lights, that needs attention, or that one needs attention, this one's urgent, that one's not inspected, so fan belt's good, etc. Give that to your customer, and then might so fix this and that. Add your own items up here. Okay, but this video is basically about the accounting side of it. So it's got plenty of reports there, business accounts, GST reports, profit and loss, trial balance. You've got year-to-date movement, so you can put account, your balance sheet, year-to-date, as of date. So historical sort of balance sheet. across. Got some general ledger reports as well, sales reports, daily sales reports, cash draw balance, payment methods, one puzzle funds and all payment methods, how much on Visa, credit card, cash, etc. You got customer statements, customer statement by rego number. Let's have a look at a customer statement by rego number, for example. If I say give me everything that's been unpaid, or let's just say all, say customer, so Fred Jones, just get a printer or email it straight to the customer. If I print it, there's Fred Jones, got 2 vehicles, ABC 1, 2, 3, there's 3 invoices there, there's the detail, there's another vehicle, ZZZ 111, there's the balance due on that rego, there's the balance due on that rego, the total due is 4,865. And there's remittance advice, and you can send back or whatever. And that can be email, so all you got to do is click email and just go straight to him. You could also send as a normal customer statement, who owes me money reports, labour charge, there's 4 reports there as well. So who owes me money, we can go receivables, that summary. So there's a few customers there, and it's what's total. That's the total there. Let's say A1 mechanic, first one, the second one there, customer is space, so customer space. Someone's added a customer space as his name. So A1 mechanic has you 1,426, and the whole lot is 91 days plus. This customer here, Darren Siddons, he's got 30, 60 day, $345 balance, and there's the totals down the bottom there, 36 days, account, etc. It's the 91 days plus. There's a percentage of what is owing, so 93.84% is 91 days plus. So that's basically the accounting side of it. And click follow, and you'll be getting more demonstrations of other parts of the software. Thanks for watching.